In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for homes in the Zillow app on iPhone. Let's get started right from your home screen. Locate the Zillow app and open it. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection so listings and images load smoothly. When the app opens, you'll land on the home screen with a prominent search bar at the top. That's your starting point. Tap the search bar. You'll see the keyboard appear, and this is where you can type exactly what you're looking for. Zillow accepts a city name, a specific street address, or a zip code, so choose the option that best matches your goal. For example, if you're just exploring, a city or zip code is great. If you already have a property in mind, entering the full address is fastest. As you type, Zillow will show suggestions. Tap the result that matches what you want so the app can jump straight to that location. Once your area loads, you can view homes on the map or in a list. By default, you'll likely see a map with price tags or pins. You can drag the map with your finger to move around and pinch in or out to zoom. This helps you focus on specific neighborhoods or get a broader view. If you prefer seeing properties in a straightforward list, look for the list option. It typically sits near the bottom or as a toggle. The list view displays property cards with key details like price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and a quick photo, making it easy to compare at a glance. On the map, keep an eye on the on-screen hints. When you move the map, it may prompt you to refresh the results so you're always seeing what's available in that exact area. When a home catches your eye, tap the listing to open the full details. This is where you can dive deeper. Swipe through the photo gallery to get a feel for the layout and finishes. Read the description for updates, standout features, or recent renovations. You'll also find essentials like price, beds, baths, square footage, and the property's status. Scroll for additional context such as lot size, year built, estimated monthly costs, and nearby schools or commute information. The map section inside the listing can help you confirm the exact location and surroundings. Take your time here. The more you review, the better you'll understand whether the home fits your needs. And that's it. Open the app, search your area, explore on the map or in the list, and tap any listing to see the full picture. Happy home hunting.